for higher GC News, Mima Ubibia Kwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede, Bremo, and Uti, so when you subscribe to channel, idea, Bomodia say, Uber subscribe. Yobayana say, Uber click a the subscribe button. Now, Wabeli, a year notification. We answer video for Frubia Bay upload. Also, once a bear can be. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memu hanom afi yenti ye sansem ya ababeto ja yenti sa report yi obia ko fana ta dey every day house enga jaba me sa fuguru ye mpe. No, but Jenny, come to think of this.
My goodness.
Where you and I do family also. Oh my yetimwa. Oh yes, and I do family also man. Oh Jenny, oh my yetimwa. Hospital gloves.
Yes.
Derivables. A big hospital.
Yeah.
Now you see assist $25 million. Akufo Addo Bawumia mo de kwada say nikosi ne am Bawumia. With him. Vice President official building now so Owusu.
I want to go see.
One buy any start you. Child no. Baby I started that next year drone. Na do the Bawumia buy o makwata $25 million. And fear what chile dan so mu ye.
Yeah, dada no.
On that time now President Mahamadu 2016 elections no. O can say baby oteno. O me say he no person otena. No one could sit down for Ebano, not so daddy. Remember Ghana Moka and could sit down Ebame. Now, Sikana Modebaka sit down Mamino. Monfan Soft for the fancy vice president. Maybe you're better no. Emano, na ultimate quarter now. Mamu Bisano, more trauma, no so respond here. Frema Paribedi chief of staff in here. Asama Fanso, on Mano. Na MPP4 Jubilee House for Ujinaimo Etimiya Tam, a former president, official communication which is confidential between the president and the former president. Now, omo dia beto abonten se mu good on Mahamadu Nimase. Really? Hey, me say Akufo Addo. Letters no. Sawo letters no. The Alan Chamatin Troye. Emma when he ha wo JFK airport wo e wo America New York no me the letter na beto abonte yes we John Mahama in we are publish that letter on the American Akufo Addo the letter na American say MPB Alan Chamate na Troy no sign here Alan so pa American cham semboa because we copy okay yeah the letter na ba castle me hu ya na mko ya copy gwe me say that say operi Sentra.
Bawumia Sandi also resign.
Say, about the president to president.
Yes. Sure.
Head and a former president, F.A. Pen.
Highly unacceptable.
A short typist sign confidential.
Yeah.
Because at the monkey play by sizes.
That because of politics.
Yes, at their level, there are certain things. Put him saying, no, you're Mukoshiai. Asemi o wana na do catch them Mahama.
Obian
no Mahama su ya no.
Yeah, Obian. Yeah, sure.
Time Jay Akufo see Jubilee House
yeah.
Professor Samuel Sebae, Peter. Joshua. Yade wo mu ina bobon komo ye hwade ni na ye bibia wie ye. Ye jira ho sa. Ye mu yan se sule aba. Everybody leave the space. Everybody leave the space is saying. Everybody leave the space is saying. Hey, any papa na wa when this for na winning election everybody leave the space. You will answer Jay and it was so Professor Milson some to send Adamfo. Muru baby din obi anka ho. E ho na ono ane ne kobo ne nkoma. Yeah, it's now 45 minutes. But this is my button. And on by. My Professor Milson Cesare. Kufoso Cesare. Charlie, yeah, question for I said, police over confirmed for inside home.
I mean, that is how it should be.
Yes, we are near break. Said another lose election and TV that.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Okay. That day, and a Kufo catch there. Professor Mills said, Eurojet project, you know. Or throw a letter pen to cabinet pen and discuss here. anko cabinet anko parliament anko babia nti oba on try no follow her say ebe fa then every 40 Asante region in Ghana ha that Akufo say Eurojet Akufo na sha say obi tell me one Eurojet project Akufo carries on tell me one who open Akufo Asante sa de Akufo aye me metal say engine come obi tell me one Eurojet project Akufo carries on Ghana ha me resign chana na kwasi tell kokotako Kukufa. Come on. Kukufa. 3940. On the side to Kumasi say, your friend is saying, hey, President Kufa started Eurojet. Do you know Eurojet?
Wait. I can't say.
What in 3940? Wouldn't pay fast for Eurojet by? Chief, now MPP for timid the letter now John Mahamadu Troye. Emma na da do no abeto abonten egujo Mahamadu ni mu asese say no di president kura no kwentiri ensi dan yo betnem oni ba bi te yes Kwame Nkrumah fi Ghana akonwa so na edan ni ho a Kwame bedem na John Mama otiri fi Ghana akonwa so na oni dan na MPP for this no enso ko ha dan na nado esiesi is legal
enye Ghana for ni MPP for ya na esre ne se wakosi dan akoto dan wo Dubai na
oni dan wo Dubai ye ne kan me sefa kan oketechia FIFA Paul Adomochere no obi mai obi na say obi ye say kabawu ye no bai afensai Oman FM presenters le gu ono ene akwawe why no moment say wa bofom no je na odidi matam no time na Hopeson Adorye ne aboa papo jabi akwade fese kwaku bibi akwaye no ye usuku afa so ho
me fa so ho na me asma ga me wo tru
kwaku Annan
me wo tru bi
kwaku Annan mo me yesua sambu Mahamadu so yesua sambu baba yanka opoma klasa mama ni guess anyema wo
mo boya bo misbel mo na
de ko bo misbel di
misbel so kra ni ho hwe
de ko kansam bebre akese guabante so na such a letter such a noble man obia every friend be so yan say na ba na say papa ye corrupt no the president how can I be corrupt na me the president be na me ni dan
now called the luxury of opportunity to buy himself whatever house
Ghana for Mahamadu president me no need dying. He was actually going back to Jowulu. Ne papa fie na ojama omo no. Emmanuel Adama Mahama. And then no papa ni Timidi MP. The regional minister ya bank meeting with Kwame Nkrumah okodemu no. Eho na nanka Mahama person sankwatana. But look at his stature now. A former president with all the luxury he's experienced and enjoyed. No sankwatana sa da motonim ewo ho a na edin. Somebody offered him a place to sleep.
Mama, bro,
such a man. Mama, I am sorry again. Forgive me. That I followed these fools. Okoda, somebody offered him a space. If you don't know. It was after. Answer. Maybe oti. Alcohol. Na yede obi on the president abon komo near there some na beto amonten. You think I don't know command nanabo on impeniphobia di okruma? I will never come out with those things because from a president, between a president and a former president, a national security issue. Now you jiya him what Jubilee House when Lusukra kabeme kraya. No more at the letter number 12 amonten say Mahamadu nye baby na. No sure maybe or the vice president now vice president today. Meanwhile, Marco Tam $25 million. You see that one osono yam. The victory. You see that one osono yam. It's $25 million. Ghana for you see the see that yam Bawumia from 2018. They see the dinosaur you 25 million so asa.
Wait.
Musa abosema mama yankasa. Kwaku Asmani 3 Land Cruisers na yedi maybe a war. Bebro na temi program me catch now. Mon coffee o. Mon kofa. There's another house for Jowlu. Abante within Kwabena Agyapong. Within Kwabena Agyapong Jowlu. Alaji Sidi Kubwari, etire kwana. When the land cruisers 4, akwaisha ho, ye befa.
Gwe.
Ye ba beje.
And that time I community 18.
Time I community 18 so cast now on am yini na fro. Baby amudi akoguru mo kwa samunya. Samunya unintelligent criminals. Unintelligent criminals. Baby amudi cast na akoguru na so ye aware. Ye ba befa.
Gwe.
Ebinom nam kwan mu sese e kokumase. Je mo ko gu krono ma francho no. Ye monitor. Mu ko tu free ho a ye monitor. Ye lo me bia mo be ko. Mo ka se be di mo ho agro. Even for ya comfort, I am telling you today. The only the time my young guys now party the mu yesano. When you phone the DJ wo.
Gwe.
Esa boys ni nyew. Yes o muni nyansa wo. Muni nyansa. Ba mpenifo na wo party ni mu no e the DJ wo. May they always come to me here in this house. Captain, wo ji tumsa wo benya bibia, yeso benya bibia na se me mpehwe. Wo de wonya adwuma yenti. E na wo ya na se dabi. Menya Paul Adomochre. Benye sefa kan. Menyo ketechi Afrifa.
Levels don't change.
Na makosa me kwajeka. Dana fatishu be mpepa na bi ewiegu.
Say politics is about human interest. It is a nipa didi no mo bibidi a. Eno enti ene yeto aba. Enye se yeto aba se wo kwa bebe fu ade na wo kwa fa ko kwehye wo mpaase. Na time ne so na time a wo penu akwa kodidi. And wo akwa sensam no wadi. You see, especially the NPP, they are behaving as if they are in the party name.
Let me be the
Oh, at least Nanka ya woman paying that Akufo.
Oh, where?
And Oma paying that Akufo ya NPP.
On the crowd for Bawumia. Today I'll say it. He voted for Jomama.
Gwe. NPP.
Mo ba mo hear video na Akufo de to abana e ba TV so no.
Yeah, dear.
Osa abano. Wo be to Mahama. Bo se paper no mo bokosoro. Bawumia wo se sign ro tententia. Let us all to Bawumia. Missing Yami wa.
See, I don't dare that cost.
Oh, no. No, Pia kwase ya. Monsieur, hini kakakabi wo kumase. O to Mahama. Ye ade ne ma no. Oka de didi. No Pia kwaso. No aheleti. Pia ko bi he na. O de Tim Mahama, Tim. I think they're going forward. You so won't consider Flagstaff as one of police station. Police station. They might follow so many Zulu. Let your head go to me. As I can auto. President office. Auto.
Me catch us. Can no budget. Didn't you know more? Jomo Kojin Sano.
For and go far comfort to. I didn't hear. Who collection would you crack put you on second? Obi 300 400 my family D. Nana ma ba unim baby. See and go for more education near man almost go for Giweno. Now I'm no cause a Frasta house. TV so one now to TV in Adeko. Akufo Addo Frasta house. Do I chief of staff Fremont Paroho and Penifoni Yamino Casay. Yeah, when you're led me my Frasta house.
Bakwajo and how chief of staff and it's a chief of staff bet na honomu. Oh, I'm almost to Diako be replace.
Yeah, to two more.
Obe replace TV. Obe replace.
It told me to Frasta house man go for 2 TVs. The only way. What's it Busabi?
Why is it? And this is very pleasant. Why is it? Or in the Sika,
no crown. Okay, we teaching. We are still so Sika. So the
question is, what move to two and no what in now? No, faster out TV now. No more and about 4 what to TV in the call. What to one I didn't and you say prevented the Wabontino. The what fear crowd security, national security for go presidency. What move to call. The Diana Chester said, Garage on my conscience. I was all gone. Necker is one man. Make a fun in term. I don't remember fat. Let me again this for so beyond sorry. The first house Akufo Addo ne free market jom say omo tutu TV no mo tutu ni na. Eti de wo mu area ni na mo ho bai. Because the way general mo kan so bia anya di mu nya di mu. Efie de na nkofo e bokro no. E na o cha general na no omia ne sechi nyina. Mo be so beti say obi bo hama. Omu bo hama tutu TV so. Ti o mia general so on noise no. What ma say? Friend indirect comfort sa na Akufo ma begui. What ma attend this for no sorry waka. Bibi o area bia mo ho bai. De say mo fa kosi fie, mo fa kosi fie. Ye wie ne ya no mo de abapu ni mu. What man say? Say we must say ko free sa na ante ase o. Enya djuma. Na na ma to say frema be no place.
Enu akra na me kra.
Wo ko fa yin no de bebo.
Unze waka ne enka.
An say na ma me free say bia ye be yire no ba me nim say wo koye kra no a sika kakra sika wa sika kwa no be sa akofa.
Akofa ya akoyi.
I don't know the credit. Enya won kwa baby a friend last year. Die ma me no wo me so Mark Pro yira wa fa me ensa no fako. Ka no a wa yi no so fa fako back. Na wa hwe ya ma me ye dipa ni bre Enkofo fa nyomo
ba enkofo fa ne ma da NDC for no ayi wo mani na dia ma wo mu okay NDC and take over okay
and the NDC boys person mo ye no ya empanifo no ba bonten no
president elect be kasa ye
omo bumra as a pepe for ni imam omo person kum ni pakra imam ba hey wallahi obi akotofo unko fie no mo ko sa na NDC for na ye dia se sa ejom so mo sorry general mo kasa empanifo kasa ya de kasa se mabru de nkwala de mun so nsan ko bo ne ma ne ba nko gege ne ma nko sisi fi wonya sa ye be pon na nkrofo de bibia ko
nkrofo de fa ne
ye be fa e be de net be di nkrofo nyina fi achi e be de ye hu mu nyina
na on tun su pa fa nko sini
da do fa
mo ton
na akọ so da question garage
ya sa ha ye se battery se o ne yi nyina nkrofo tu se
o mu tutu
o hia ba ma
It is possible
no enye o hia na aba o enye hia na aba o enye greedy
more than greedy
sa ba try
it is possible
bas no mama fa go bia
okay
mo fa bas ni sio
okay fa me sanso mam
sem enu nti efuto nsakra nipa jesen sohwe na party no egu no enye nwanwa esanse ye share ye politics as in 1950s no na the UP and the CPP egu tina a matter of time say UP asefo nso no be dey ebegu tie no na eduru na we must be a lesson to the National Democratic Congress say so pa mo betumi ayi adwuma no enya adwuma enne me hu se nkofo akofa sika gu bag mma omokolobi time nkofo bre omuwo jani ye campaign ama party na enye sa sika na ye campaign enya enna amuwi ni aba no na enne mo nanfofo be ye sikafo mo bre no I will be very surprised say someone like Makati omonhwe no yes o hwe na command position for short mass here because yen dey movement for change na aba no yen movement no enko ba bi o ebe metamorphose into something else na yebeduru ho eno nti no yen enko ba bi eteta no ho ya Munya Jumaden magana for honton ye ni sisi ano ye beboa ban ya mo ma ya Jumaden ama o manum wate o manum wa ye de o manum wa ye krabe na ye mebu no a efri o man yi mu a ekwa ewu ni mu anko amfa man chen mko efri o man mu kwa America Canada eko UK Australia no eso atehwe obi adi mfie eduonum 50 years na wo free Ghana ko UK afina akosho wabra boss de Akufo Addo aye no obi se ye be kan na fe no ene na ko mu ade oba be die so sadi bana ye be me aka Akufo Addo afe no ana se ye be fe ne se wadi bone because who to be kan tram say $312 million ye de ko share amene mu a sika na ma no ene no se be kan
$312 million
IMF tranche say ban ye $360 million and so 312 no ye dia kwosha menase a MPO
en sha menemu e she nkrofo botom
ala me sha na mo kan nya mu sofo na ba ye ya sofo ni Audacity no akọ yi no mo bobai no mo she nkom $1
million
na we e ya sem papa eno nti ye be sre Ghana fo
a ka boaje na mehu na yi biem se so
o sa boy ni amu fi no
o se na sikani ho nti na ye ntua na kwaka
do mada
na be se $312 million I don't think I make no yes I want to mean discuss no
da bi na NAPO no ba ye no ya nkan chom se chop who nipa 100,000 me ma throw akọ the right to information say me pay the full list of 100,000 plus obi a contact number ka metum bo ase dia ma enfre obi ama me up to date me nyan na national service kwa ye twagum 40,000 na NAPO
kakra no kra na amofa mo mantia
omu discount no
we spend $312 million
nipa pone se nipa trimu adin on 700 cities obi aboka bond ba ho ka o university wo so man bo so be 7 we adwuma ye de manipa we
once aso kra ntia na
can you imagine
abu ne kwase aka ho
me ba me tesa wo kase ye faticheni 1 year ni ntware ka nto o ye nipa beden wadidi national service on by na ebu no tot ene ebinim ko this week a no watena fi no obi so aba edi o man ye chichiri eno nti on se change ni buy no system no ID Ghana for no nyagi me for sa ya de bia Ghana for no ngofo e ka zo no mu nim nyanza no Ghana ni empre on rush so very react or very slow but or react so on e be po yi eno nti ye beda obi biara wa me du sam pempen so yi monyese hani overdose no so ebe kama na mum omanpani John Mahama ye ntumi ntina kromu anan nkofo mfe sika nkotwa mo empasa bra so wonye me nka se kotata obi abat ko jisika no me nsa wom na obi be ko ne hu hia mi o sika no ni ajapade ne wo yankoje suku ya mo ya SHS ya free SH bebre ni babida ya ja abronsanfo a ye ntumi vanye dormitory isle gwani mo chire ha ada India fo ya mo mu niska bia o eye abemu benefo na US Canada de o ma fronto e no mu nyina so mu sisi na nobody has money obo okra ni immigration status cry questionable was here investigate o mu nyina ye jisika no mo man no man ko nanim na John Mahama be ye jamo bia enso bia so obia me peche be manu be sia me nua Peter Swaba one of the people are apo adwuma anajo do siom be 910 na ne bataki
recollection a wo mo eye e wo tesam no chairman general ya press conference akasa say wo mo engine tum but in the first place kwa na wo senke baso wo senke wo mo hwe ma ne ekoso kora wo no because enra mo nyi tum so mi hu say wo mo executives ni bi mo ewo ho no mo menye
me da asimi mi aba mfa kwanya so me chetiefo ne dodo na mo aboa ba bi adwuma wura wo bia ya achare ma mo ai eso do ta hu every minute say do agongo ba bi obi ona bo
na fidie ni ntu kan wate
dia me go ben no nti
me si na fidie ni
and that's Friday to catch us na
fidie ni mo na da bia mo ne chat
me pese me ye one of
ene ne wo samache ni anopa ne nyina nti no di oba so ka kire no wate
me say e pon pa mi hunu because the fouls
o de family so na fidie ni wate why fidie adekode na opon wa pese ohunu wate
okay me da say na mini azo mini obaye
o se de
Peter so me chian me hu na chekakra ye shia chekakra be bo so me ni shia ye ya de adwuma do mo
o wen dis ni be kokko bia wa ye tuntum o je say
adwuma
na mali nyina ye tuntum
and this for the 2020 ye ba we an me ka chemu sato and this for scan no munya 2016 film no 4 years no munni nwie tu say no munya serious and this for ye mo lose election 2016 yeah, I started for radio say Juma. Near North Okra. Yeah, started here. They lose ya and they started here. They BM and this one yako die, sir. A bit to be by about 2 years on Baba Jenny. Yeah, they since and this losing they did down to neck. What am I say? Saturday this room was not more serious. 2020 election. We won't walk a can papa. But now no election we champagne for the beer. The Nancy property here. Hey, no, I'm saying here what do the final stage. Omo for so to send this in kokra phoning na afide mu pie ye ya nhwe ye bewu am ye na mu awu ekom na no odin etimin ma nya djuma kra me ba na mo fase bi nya djuma no ya efie be ye kakra etu de cheke and this boy so emre wonko omo ya djuma nkasa eno omo ya djuma ma ota djuma no omo nya so aba pa ma omo sa na ehwehwe 2024 2028 sa election na minimum sa no de ba akra me shikeke enya election it's so simple
e be depend
on what we are about to have if you are bani bi how o can say better be election me say am na free and fair elections are me akọ say election no we mu omo masage bibia o na grofo no mo ani ade we be adwuma ama Ghana fo hu adwuma ka si ayaye no et election ni election bia na me fo ne ko
be adwuma dia ene na me kire no wa adwuma wo ye ne be ma that popular acclamation
na me ka no et be adwuma man is so simple am yakọ e be do be na one party state what must say me yakọ ye ni tim be wo ya we say the omo ye na anu no NPP for kro no no de ba election ni mu o etiesa ndisi for prepare omo for 2028 ni say ye ye adwuma ni nyina awie ni awie a ye wie so ankofo yi ye se bubu dudu no aso nsem na ye timi free ade na ekwa ba bi simple Africa election free and fair bi anche da nim za what man say it from now say mo pini omo nyina omo skabedi di omo mo gi ni nyina mani hi omo umo obi adwuma na wo hye ni kutupa ndisi for ka ho na sa akwa ye o si da wa ti ono makoka cham stop what is your brain jampon Bakacho mo munya adwuma no.
O ba no property na wo ho.
Wo mu da so e de machine abesi so adwuma. Anya ne property. E Ghana for asase. Ma so mo stop adwuma no. Ye ba hwehwe ne mo adwuma mo ye hu fa so wo so. Ma twam ko komo mo stop bra jampon. NDC for na man sa adwuma. En wonya sika no de be di nsamfo. Nsamfo e ko so ma we mu nyina election. Ye hye nkrofo kutupa mo ni nsamfo nyina na o ka ho. One to be the necessitable. See, Eastern region, me pan, more contest, NPP take me in Crawford in Adam and Crawford show. What man say? NDC, but Mum Crawford, Mum Crawford Juma. No one yes, Canon Sabium Sabiano, or Moon to be there and for more party. So about ball position, we all know the Tokabi any. A been a branch champ on the air. To be ceremony down the Munya stop work, my character machine, old printer. So is it from before as office, so better from. It means over arms of my opponent. I could dear. What the backward see? It's Memon Munya Sadi and you. On Crawford, or be beer, Ebesha Ghana, some Ghana Koye, better to Ghana, Magana Koye. What must say? Ya, only possible the year, or Trevor, what's your party, now my party, now calling him. What must say? Tiano better 2 years. And Tiano, I'm the send this for. Meaning about to be this for a sermon. A do by almost almost some of the supporters, and they say, I'm not in the course of Mingano. And I do your name. Yeah, course, what Tessano. And Untia Meba Hono. Adiana Mukache Mwaka. Now, and not so director of communication or what IT when Dr. Bibino. Rashid, thank you. Interview not to try and Piapa. One was cut back one of the atom who's on near command interview. What has a Mitiano of the years. As someone walk on. Because Tessano Coco share. Because then this is for her. They know what come on the Hono so the same. Yes. It's no more has a what? And make general press conference or ye. Mo ade mu ni mra mu ni bibia. It is first place mo go gu hon mo kokoye dey. And I'm no check ya no mo kokofa fake we bia no mo de aba. On ba no and mo de and na me no ka say proposal and the congratulations platform NPP platform nyina ne. Omo amini mo market for you congratulations say we win ayi so hum sawam. Me wan anya papa what man say. So the make change this for me say wo mo a me say ani die no obo mu say sa de no mo ye no. Wo mo me hu ba bi om direction ko. Yes ade no ba be kan say. Ade cha na wo ye say. What man say?
Yo, it for Winnie and Summer Abeto. Yep, so Mikao says, so we now subscribe to channel here. Bomodia say, we subscribe. As a hadia latest and hot news. And Aramede Bremo. After we are now, like video, no, give us a thumbs up now. Fee share my offer now. When you be here now, who and somewhere also, ever Ghana memoha. Also between otchere, wadring a fire and somewhere in our ever comment box in Mobati Minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.